How many tools are in the engine?
No, it's about 3.
Excuse me,
Down there
where is
somewhere.
St John's Avenue, please?
Sorry?
St John's Avenue.
This is St John. This is St John's Avenue, isn't it, Doug?
This is St John's Road, St John's Avenue, a bit further down, on the right hand side.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Thank you.
Right, that's done up, that's done up. I've just got to put this cover bait on.
It's good to see a master at work.
Where's the... I swear you keep hiding my fucking tools.
I'm not. You've stuck them all inside your engine.
No, I've lost 2 inside.
Oh, I wish I'd filmed that earlier.
Hey? I bet you have. I bet you've fucking been hiding them.
I haven't. Why would I do that?
You love a wind up. You've really got them all in your pockets.
No, they're all under the cover. Is that the coat Mike gave you?
Yeah, I know. It's not my fault we got in dirty. Right, that's done up.
Says your car by looks at it, mate.
That's done up, that's done up, that's done up, that's done up. That's not done up. I can't get to it. I've dropped this fucking tool. So, but that should only just be the
Right.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I'm disappointed. It works.
Is it?